Hello. There are various ways to earn money online, depending on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are some popular methods. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services like writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and much more. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Platforms like tutor.com, Che, and Bytefit offer opportunities to teach students in various subjects or languages. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to share your knowledge and interests. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or Patreon. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral you generate. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete small tasks on websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Swagbucks to earn money or gift cards.
E-commerce. Set up an online store and sell products. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy can help you create your online shop and reach potential customers. Online market trading. If you have knowledge about stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex trading, you can participate in online trading platforms. However, be aware that this involves risks and requires proper research.